Okay, we're going to do Sankalpa from here for all devotees. If you just follow the priest, and then we'll be chanting. We're almost there. Another 5 minutes, and we'll be watching time. Just follow the Sankalpa. Priest will read out, and just follow whatever he's asking us to follow.
Srinivasa Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. This is very auspicious Sankalpam. So I think you are all very, very punyavan. So please repeat after me. In your heart, don't think lot of things. Only think for God. Om Mama Mama Vinapalledu Upatta Samasta Durita Kshayadvara Shri Parameshvara Srimannarayana Prityartham Mama Sarvesham Sahakutumbhana Sahashrita Bandhujana Mitra Vargayoscha Sakala Kshemasthirya Dhairya Virya Vijaya Abhaya Ayuhu Ananda Arogya Aishwarya Adina Abhivrudyartham Visheshatah Adya Karishyamaanasya Mahapushkara Kumbhabhisheka Prayukta Mama Sahakutumbhasya Kumbhabhisheka Punyaphala Avapyartham Mama Janma Abhyasate Janma Prabhuti Yedakshana Paryantam Madhye Balye Vayasi Kaumare Yavane Vardhakecha Jagrate Swapna Sushuptasu Manaha Vakkaya Karmendriya Jnanendriya Vyaparaihi Kamakrodha Lobha Moha Mada Matsaryadhi Sambhavitanam Sarvesham Papanam Sadhyaha Apanodhanadvara Mama Sahakutumbasya Asmin Deshe Asmin Rashtre Sarvesham Niroga Nirupadrava Dirghayushya Samsiddhyartham Apamrutyudosha Nivaranartham Bhagavat Sannidho Achanchala Nishpata Bhakti Siddhyartham Sarvarishta Shantyartham Sarvabhishta Siddhyartham Adya Karishyamaanasya Mahakumbhabhisheka Karma Karishye Adya Karishyamaanasya Mahakumbhabhisheka Karma Karishye Namo Brahmanya Devaya Gobrahmana Hitaya Cha Jagadhitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha Namostu Nantaya Sahasramurthaye Sahasrapadakshi Shirorubahave Sahasranamne Purushaya Shashvate Sahasrakoti Yugadharine Om Namayiti. We are all do here Kumbhabhishekam. All of you please start Govinda Nama Sankirtanam loudly. Asmin Punyakale Sri Kumbhabhisheka Mahotsava Karmani Vrishabha Lakhnadu Asmin Suryodaya Trayodasanyam Vrishabhe Nakshatraiknayam Vrishabha Lakhnadu Kumbhabhisheka Punyakale Gopura Sikara Kumbhabhishekam Karishye Venkatamana Govinda. అయ్యా అందరూ everybody please claps, everybody please claps. Govinda, Govinda, no sound, everybody please say loudly Govinda, say loudly Govinda. Bole Shankara Bhagavan ki, Shankara Bhagavan ki, Shankara Bhagavan ki, jai bole Ganesh Maharaj ki, Pravel Margana ki, Pravel Margana ki, Pravel Margana ki. అయ్యా అందరూ ఒకసారి నమస్కారం చేసుకోండి ప్లీజ్. అయ్యా పట్టుకోండి ఫ్లవర్స్ ప్లీజ్, హోల్డ్ ఫ్లవర్స్ ఎవరిబడి.